Ba laola sephethephethe ba re ba tswile ka bongata ho beha leihlo bakganni ba kgannang ka lebelo le hodimo le ba kgannang ba nwele mmileng wa N1 o phetheselang haholo ka nako ena ya selemo.
Now the roads are extremely busy at this moment. In the last hour there were 1,900 cars an hour coming through Moy River, coming to Gauteng. There have been 2,500 of those on the N1 coming into through Karasol to Gauteng. There's also about 1,800 on the N4 from Mpumalanga to Gauteng.
Ate haile ka Mpumalanga ba laola sephethephethe ba hlokomedisitse bakganni hore ba ikobele melao ya tsela.
We are generally happy and content with how most of the motorists behave during the festive season. You can see it in terms of the number of arrests made. We have arrested about 19 motorists, 12 of those were for drunken driving, probably in residential areas, and but the other 4 was for speeding, excessive speeding. Then we issued about 22 summonses to various motorists.
Haile KwaZulu-Natal bakganni ba boletse hore ba ikutlwa ba bolokehile mebileng matsatsing ana phomolo ya Keresemese.
Traffic on the road hasn't been too bad this festive season. I'm on my way into Inchanga with the family. I'm taking them on a train ride.
Stay alert, be safe, don't drink and drive.
Ba laola sephethephethe ba re boholo ba bakganni bo bontsha boitshwaro bo botle le ho ikobela melao ya tsela.
It was not that bad, in as much as we did have accidents, but we managed to scoop a certain percentage in terms of crashes and fatalities, whereby there was a drop of 20% crashes as well as fatalities in the province.
Ba hlanka ba le diboho la lebombo ba re le dibolena le tlo phethesela haholo bekeng ena nakong ena eo baeti ba kgutlang Mozambique.